Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to work with text in SwiftUI. Now, firstly, how we can add that view into our code. Here, in this content view, for example, in this V stack, we can go ahead and type text and then input the required text here. Now, if you cannot see this preview, you can go ahead and click on this editor and then make sure this canvas is selected. Now there's another way that allow you to add this view. For that, all you have to do is just click on this button and then here you have to select on this show the views library. Here you can select the text. Okay, like this. Now there's another way. You can directly add view into the canvas. How we can do that? Now if we just add like this, it is not working, but here there's an option called selectable, and then you have to select that, the selectable option. Then you can just press on this library button and then here you can drag that into here. Okay, like that. Now that's how to add the text. Now the thing is, this text can contains many lines as space available. Now for example, we can add some more lines. Let's say hello world, welcome to the city of Swift, and currently the text is very small. We can change these properties. For example, to change the font size, all we have to do is just say dot font and then inside parentheses we have to pass in the dot system and again parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to define the size of the font. Now size will be let's say 36. Now if you cannot see the updates, you can press on this play icon, then it will automatically update that. Now we can add more properties. For example, weight for that text. We can separate this with the comma and then let's say weight, and it is equals to, here we can select bold, heavy, light. I will select here light, and then we can also select the design of the font, design colon. Here I will select, we can select serif. Okay, now how we can italic this text, and after we have to say dot italic. You can see the font is now italic. Okay, as we say, we can add more lines. For example, I will say again by duplicating this text because I'm very boring to add more text. You can see as space available, text is showing, but the thing is we can limit how many lines are visible to the text. That means we can limit the maximum line of text. How we can do that? We have to say dot and then line limit parentheses. Inside parentheses we have to say how many lines we have to show. if we say 1 here, now you can see there are only one line visible. Now we can remove this. I will say hello world. Alright, now the thing is, we can customize this text as a attribute string. So I'm going to create a new constant here. Let's say sophisticated text, sophisticated string is equals to try, then exclamation mark, and then attribute string as the type, attribute string. Now inside parentheses I am going to set my markdown, and the colon, now I can pass in the value here. I will say sign up to our channel, and now we can set some text as a bold text. For that I'm going to say like. Now I'm going to add star symbol for twice in the front of the text that we want to make it as bold text, and the end of that text I can say star symbol again. Alright, now here we have to set this text as our text view text. For that I can pass in sophisticated string here. Actually it is still loading. Now the font size is very large, that's why we cannot see anything, so I'm going to reduce that into 26. Now you can see this like text is in bold. Now I will reduce the font size more. Now the thing is, all text remains as italic because here we are setting this text property as italic, and in this sophisticated string we are setting this like as a bold string by saying this star symbol inside that, pass in the value, and then ending with the star symbol. Okay, that's how to add this text.